I have the random urge to make a video, so that's what we're doing. You guys will see Gabe's video explaining all of that. Been a while since I updated you guys on my truck. Savannah's in it. We'll explain that in a second. Somebody buy my wheels. $2,200. Please. I need somebody to buy them. Every time somebody says they're gonna come buy them, they back out. So somebody come do that for me. I'm trying to switch it up here. 12-inch lift now. Not that much of a difference. Already thinking going 16 or 14. Please get out of there. Today is a depressing day for the dogs because this no longer goes there. I'm gonna tell you guys what's happening. I'm just gonna give her the phone.
Okay, so these brackets here that hold the armrest, they need to come off because they're in the way. As you can see, it was like messing up the whole seat, so we have to take them off with the dremel.
Thanks. It's okay. So instead of just getting new seats, we're you got something on your back. We're just, it's not coming off. Hello. We're just gonna improvise. Yeah, it's a sad day for you. You don't get your seat. Oh, my hair. Also, I have Harley Davidson headlights and a grill because if you saw Gabe's video, we went through a hailstorm in Missouri, maybe Missouri, can't remember, and it just got all chipped because if you remember, we spray painted the first one. So this is what I have right now. I like it. He's struggling in there.
Hello. What's up? What into factory? They don't have the armrest at all, like my old truck, and yours does because it didn't come with this center console. It came with.
And I'm not paying that.
No, you're not.
So yeah, we have to go to Home Depot.
Have fun.
Goodbye. You scared him. We're at Home Depot. Wow. It's $20. Oh my god. This is $20, and then that is $30. Are you kidding me? Got what we needed. Savannah lost her keys, so we have to go back to the Halloween stuff, which isn't a bad thing.
Stuff.
Maybe you put it down by the Jill stuff. Gabe and Savannah painted my hooks. Yeah, I should probably just get like stuff like that, but they wanted to do it, so that's what's happening right now. We're taking off my drive shaft, or at least attempting. Why? Because I don't know. You can do the honors.
Okay. Move out the way. Excuse me.
We're going like that.
And now we have two of the biggest two-wheel drive trucks in the game.
Oh yeah.
Two-wheel drive. Oh, and the queen of two-wheel drive trucks in the game.
Okay, it's been about an hour, and we installed the Bluetooth drive shaft by ourselves. You can get it done at Ford if you want to, but we just did it ourselves. So
Save $69. Do it yourself.
yep. We are going to do a burnout for fun, I guess.
Yeah, but this is so slow. The front.
Behind the scenes.
What?
From the front, he said. Our goal is to be in and out because people like to call the cops around here, and that's why we need a lot of land and a lot.
Make sure to zoom in and zoom out. Okay.
Zoom in and zoom out. Bah.
Zoom in and zoom out. Bah. Let me make sure the sky isn't coming. I said that out loud.
Back to retrieve the suspect. It's so colorized.
Oh, it smells like burnout.
Yep. Go, go, go! And now, to end this video off, we're putting my Lacey Blair sticker on. It's gonna go right next to my stacks under the 6.0. So if you're wondering what's going on here, we had a tarp in here for a while.
The stacks kind of melted.
Yeah, the stacks melted onto it, so I don't know. We're either just gonna get new stacks or I'll paint it pink or something. Also, I'm pretty sure I'm still selling these, so if anybody wants those, even though they suck, I don't know, $100.
We could do it here or right in the middle, but if you do it here, then you could have more room for other stickers.
Yeah, let's do on top of the American Made.
Like right here?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Savannah's doing it because she's coordinated. I am not.
You want like an inch above or like right next to it?
Like a little bit above, like you had it. Bella! She's running away again. Also, if anybody wants this,
We could,
$100.
yeah, you guys sand it, repaint it, do whatever you want with it.
Yeah.
We shouldn't have the credit card number. That's how it's done.
Woo! Badass woman support badass woman. And 6.0s. I should probably get a new 6.0 sticker because my truck came with all this and the American Made on it. I used to have like a Skull Viking sticker. Yeah. I don't do any of that, so. Yay. I need to get pink stickers with my Instagram on it too.
That looks pretty good.
Yep. That'll work. Thanks for watching.